This is the elephant and tiger game. That's Big Al against Obby. Obby played by Jody Sims. Or just Jody, you know. That is her fake name. Her nickname. And then Big Al played by Lexi. Okay, here we go. And go. Hit her with your trunk. If you can. Only thing you have left is take off the whiskers.